Okay, good morning, year two. Today's Monday's maths video is on finding change. Um, so we're going to look at how we do that today. It's to do with money. And what do you think we mean by finding change? If we're finding change, what do we need to do? It's quite tricky, isn't it? Finding change means we need to give someone some money back when they give us too much money. And I'm going to give you an example of what I mean there. So what do we mean by change? Change is the bit of money we are given back when we buy something in a shop. If I want a bag of sweets which cost 30p and I only have a 50p coin, I'm going to need change. Why? Why do you think I'm going to need change? If I have 50p and I buy something for 30p, why do I need change? Well, that's because otherwise I've paid more than the sweets cost, haven't I? So if I've only got 50p, it would be very unfair to then say, well, we're just going to have to take you 50p. So what they do instead is they give me some money back. So they give me the difference. So finding change is very similar to finding the difference. Okay. So for this, I'd have 50p and I'd take away the 30 I'd spent. So the shop would give me 30 and 20 make 50. So they give me 20 back. But if I buy a toy car for £1 and pay with a £1 coin, will I need change? And why? No, I won't, will I? Because I've paid with £1 and it costs £1. There's no difference in the amount, is there? If I'd paid with £2 or £5, then I would need change, wouldn't I? Okay, so today we're going to solve problems involving finding change. So I'm going to talk you through how we do it. Now, there's a lot of steps to this, so you need to follow them carefully. So if something costs 35p and I pay with a 50p coin, how much change do I need? Well, what amount of money do I begin with? Sorry, what amount of money do I have? I've got 50p, haven't I? I've got a 50p coin. How much is the thing I want? 35p. So I need to take away 35p from my total of 50p. So we'll do it like this. 50p, take away 35p. Now I'm going to show you 5 different methods that we've learned about subtraction that can help you to solve these. You choose the one that helps you calculate the answer the best. So first of all, we could draw tens and ones. 5 tens because that's my total, 50p. And I'm taking away 35p. Now I can't take away the 5 ones from no ones. So I'm going to exchange 1 10 for 10 ones. And then I can take away 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I need to take away the 30. 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens. And that leaves me with 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, you could use a number line. Start at the far end because that's your highest number, your total. You're only going to be counting backwards. Then we count back. First of all, I'm going to count back 5 to get to 45. Then I'm going to count back the 30, which takes me to 15. So that would be 15p. We can do it the other way. We can find the difference. So we start at 35 and we count the jumps. We do a jump to 40, which is 5. Then we do the jump to 50, which is 10. And we combine those together. 10 and 5 is 15. Or we can do this method where we partition. Now, I partition 50 into 40 and 10 because if I have 50 and 0, I can't take away any of my ones. So from 40, I'm going to take away the 10s, and this 3 10s 30. So 40 take away 30 is 10. And from the 10, I'm going to take away the 5 ones. 10 take away 5 is 5. Then we put those two parts back together. 10 add 5 is 15. Or we could use a column method. So 50 take away 35. I can't take away 5 from nothing. So I'm going to exchange 1 10 from a tens column, change that 5 to a 4, and put the extra 1 10 that I've got onto the one side, just like we did on the drawing of tens and ones. Now 10 take away 5 is 5, and 4 take away 3 is 1, 15. So any of those methods are fine. It gives me 15. But how much change do I need? So what I need to do is I need to draw the coins, don't I? I need to find the coins. So we know that the difference, the amount of change is 15p. Now I just need to make it. So 15p equals 10p, add 5p. Okay, so I need a 10 and a 5 to get that 15, don't I? So let's try a few more. If I bought a bag of crisps for 52p and I paid with 70p, how much change do I need? Well, what's our number sentence going to be? Our total is 70. That's what we start with. We've taken away something that costs 52p. Use my column method to help me solve it. So I can't do I can't take 2 from 0, so I need to exchange 1 10 for 10 ones. 10 take away 2 is 8. 6 10 take away 5 tens is 1 10. So 18. Now, what coins do I need to make 18p? Well, I'm going to need a 10 because we've got 1 10. And there's no 8p coin, so to make 8, I'm going to need at least 3 coins. So I'm going to use a 5 to take me to 15. And then if I'm on 15, I need 16, 17, 18. I need 3 more. Now, 3 I know is 2 and a 1. So I'm going to use a 2 and then a 1. 18p. That's my change. Okay, the next one costs 74p. I pay with 90p. How much change do I need? Well, 90p take away 74p is my subtraction sentence, isn't it? I'm going to use the column method again. Can't take away 4 from 0, so I'm going to exchange 1 10 for 10 ones. 10 take away 4 is 6. 8 take away 7 is 1, so I've got 16p. Then I need to make it with my coins. Well, 60, I'll put 18 there, but it should be 16. 16p is 110, 5, and a 1. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. There's my change. Okay. Next one, a bit trickier this one. It costs 67p and I pay with £1. How much change do I need? Well, let's do our number sentence. £1 take away 67p. Now I've got a problem there, haven't I? Can I take away 67 from 1? I can't, can I? So I need to change them because at the moment they're not in what we call the same unit. So we need to change them to make sure they are in the same unit. And how I do that is I need to change them both to pence. Now I know, because I've learned this, that £1 is the same as 100p. So I'm going to change the £1 to 100p. And then I can do my subtraction sentence. 100p take away 67p equals, and I use tens and ones to solve this one. So I've got my 10 tens, which makes 100. I can't take away 7 from 0, so I'm going to exchange 1 10 for 10 ones. Then I can take away my 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then I need to take away the 6 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that leaves me with 3 tens and 3 ones, which is 33p. Now I need to make that with coins as my next step. 33p. Well, I've not got a 30p coin. The closest I can get is a 20. And then I need a 10 to make the 30. Then I need to make the 3, which is going to be a 2 and a 1. So there's my change. Okay, now the next one. It costs 33p. I pay with £1. How much change do I need? Now again, we need to change both numbers to the same unit. So we would change £1 to 100p. 100p take away 33p. Calculate that. I'm going to do it on a number line this time. So I'm going to find the difference. 33 at one end, 100 at the other. I'm going to do a jump from 33 of 60 to 93. Then I'm going to do a jump of 7 to 100. Then I'm going to add those jumps together. 60 add 7 is 67. How do I make 67p? Well, I can't, there's no 67p coin, there's no 60p coin. I can use a 50, and then 10 more than 50 is 60, so I need a 10 as well. Then to make my ones, I'm going to start with a 5 because that's as close as I can get to 7 without going too high. And then 5 and 2 make 7. So I need a 50, a 10, a 5, and a 2 to get to 67. Okay. One more. It costs 58p. I pay with £1. How much change do I need? Remember, change both numbers to the same unit. So 100p take away 58p equals. Again, I'm going to use a number line. 58. I'm going to do a jump of 40 to 98. And then the extra jump of 2 to 100. 40 add 2 is 42. Now, how do I make 42p? Do I have a 40p coin? No. But 2 20s is 40. Do I have a 2p coin? Yeah. 42p. There's your change. Okay, now have a go at the activity. If you're confident with adding and subtracting to 100, do the trickier sheet. If not, The medium is change from 50p, and the easy is change from 10p or 20p. Choose which one is best. Don't forget to show your calculations, and don't forget to draw the coins that you need in change. Okay, just the change coins. Okay, year two. Good luck, enjoy, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.